Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, I'm going to chat to you about all of my sewing plans for February 2024. To be completely honest, I actually debated whether or not I would put out a video for my February plans because out of the 5 projects I want to work on this month, two of them are secret plans. One of them, I have no clue what I'm doing or what I'm doing it with. And yeah, the other 2 I can talk to you about, but one of them, I don't even have the fabric with me yet. Anywho, I was like, what am I going to say? But I thought it was important for me to record my plans for February because I do want to talk to you about hashtag BHM Pattern Designers, which is a challenge hosted annually by Natita from So Natural Dane to celebrate Black pattern designers. So the gist of it is during the month of February, you make something, you sew something, or you knit something with a pattern designed by a Black person. So this could be a garment, this could be a knitted project, this could be a bag, a quilt, can be anything at all. Now I am really excited because I have 2 plans for BHM Pattern Designer. The first one is a bag. I've been dying to make myself or buy myself a silver bag for the winter season. Now we're going into February and all the winter is crazy long where I live. We are in February, so if I want my Christmas bag, I better get a move on. And I found a pattern by Toby Styles that is exactly what I was looking for. So that is going onto my list of projects for February because, well, first of all, it's going to give me the bag I want. Second, it's going to be one of my entries for BHM Pattern Designers. And the fabric I'm going to use is this beautiful, let me get this out of this wrapping, this beautiful faux leather, look at this, that I purchased from Emmeline Bags here in Montreal. And I'm going to link to their website below because they have some really nice bag making supplies, like really nice. So I have the faux leather in silver. I bought a Tula pink strap in black and white, which I thought would be really fun. And I got a silver chain to decorate my bag. Now this is going to be way too long and I might need to like hubby's help to see if he can cut this down for me, but very excited about this first project. So my Prada inspired bag by Toby Styles in this really fun silver faux leather. And also for BHM Pattern Designers, I am so excited because Natita reached out to me a few months ago now asking me if I wanted to collaborate on something for BHM Pattern Designers. I, of course, said yes. So although I can't give you any more details than that because it's super, super secret, I will be collaborating on something with Natita and we will reveal everything on the last, no, not the last day, on the 28th of February, because this year there's the 29th of February. So on the 28th, I'll have a video come out on my channel. Natita's going to have a video on hers, and we are going to share and reveal what we made to celebrate Black Pattern Designers this month. So super, super excited. My fabric is already cut and ready to go. And the rules are you can't do any sewing before the 1st of February. So I'm recording this a little bit ahead of time. We're not yet in February as I'm recording it. So haven't started sewing, but yeah, I'm super, super stoked about this collab with Natita. Project number 3 on my list is another secret one and another collaboration. So in February, towards the middle to the end of February, I'm going to have a video collaboration come out with Carol from So Carol and Katinka from the Seamstress at the Cottage. And I'm not 100% sure what the theme is going to be. I think it's a winter theme kind of collab, but I have my project picked out. I have my fabric picked out. So that definitely needs to get done because our video, like I said, is coming out, I think around the 20th of February. So again, I'm super excited. I did a collaboration with Carol back in, was it in November? I think it was in November where we both made the Parker Ponte pants. So this time we're, like, I have no idea what she's making. I have no idea what Katinka is making. They don't know what I'm making. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It will be my first time participating in a collaboration with 3 people in it. So that should be really, really fun. So that is project number 3 for February. Project number 4 is going to be my monthly project for Marianne. So as you know, well, most of you know by now, Marianne helps me with the channel. So she edits most of my videos, does a little bit of research for me, and just helps whenever she can. So for payment for her hard work on the channel, I make her at least 1 garment a month. In February, I'm going to make her the Zia sweater by Dressmaking Amore. So this is the same pattern designer that I bought the Chantel dress from. So that beautiful pink plaid dress that I'm making or made for Marianne. Exact same pattern company. I love those patterns on Marianne. They fit her perfectly. And I thought this sweater was really, really cute. It reminds me a little bit of the Pogonep by Frade Pattern Company. A very similar type of feel, except it's a zip at the collar instead of buttons. But yeah, very similar, a little cropped. And I ordered some Sherpa fabric from Minerva, and hopefully I'll be able to put a picture of the fabric because I don't have it with me yet. I've ordered it, it's not come yet. So I think that'll be super cute on Marianne, and she is very, very excited. So I'll report back on that, on how that goes, because when I first started working on the Chantel dress, I know I complained to you during one of my Friday Sews videos about the lack of consistency with the seam allowances. And one of you set me straight and told me that that's actually an industry standard and that's how all patterns used to be. And I did not know that. So in the end, the dress came together so well. Everything matched and it was really well drafted. The pattern instructions are good if you are not a beginner. So it assumed a lot of knowledge, but I think I'm an okay seamstress now that I can tackle these projects. And worst comes to worst, I just Google or go onto YouTube and look at videos on the techniques I'm not 100% sure of, but I'm pretty sure I can put this sweater together very quickly. So that will be my 4th project for February. And then my 5th project will be my usual Think Pink unboxing and final make, and that'll be box number 24. Now at the time of recording this, my box is on its way to Canada. I have no idea what's in it. I don't know what type of fabric it is. All I know is that it will most likely be 2.5 meters of something. So yeah, I don't have obviously any plans for it other than I want to have it done before the end of the month of February. And the way that all of my planning worked out for this month, that video is due to come out on the channel on the 27th. So that gives me more than enough time to get the fabric, really think about what I want to make. Yeah, and just make sure I turn it into something I absolutely love, which I've managed to do for most months and in most boxes, so I'm not too worried. And there you have it, my plans for February 2024. So 5 projects in 4 weeks should be doable. A couple of those are going to be pretty simple and straightforward. A couple not so much, but I don't have a whole lot going on in my personal life this month. I have, on the work side, things are finally getting to a point where it's busy, but not overly busy. And it's winter, so, I don't tend to go anywhere in the winter over the weekend. So lots of sewing time. So I should be fine to get 5 projects done in the next month. I would love to know if you have any plans to participate in hashtag BHM Pattern Designers this month. And if you are participating, what are you making? I would love to know, so put that in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.